In today's video, I'm going to teach you to check your American Express credit score. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your score, what you're looking at, and how to keep an eye on it over time without impacting your credit. First, sign into your American Express account, either on the website or through the official mobile app. Use whichever option you prefer. The process is essentially the same. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard, which is the hub for all your cards and tools. From the dashboard, look for the My Credit Guide. This is the built-in feature that gives you access to your credit score, and it's included with your account. The name you're looking for is My Credit Guide, and it may appear alongside other account tools in your dashboard. Go ahead and open it. Inside My Credit Guide, you'll see your TransUnion Vantage Score 3.0. This score is calculated using data from TransUnion and the Vantage Score 3.0 model, which is commonly used by many lenders and financial tools. It's updated regularly, so the number you see reflects recent information, not something from months ago. You can usually expect it to refresh on a recurring schedule, which helps you stay current without having to do anything extra. A key point to remember is that checking your score here does not affect your credit. This is a soft inquiry, not a hard pull, so you can review your score as often as you like without worrying about it dropping because of the check itself. As you explore the My Credit Guide, take a moment to review any available score details or trend information. Monitoring changes over time is one of the best ways to understand your credit health. If your score moves up or down, consider what might have influenced it, such as on-time payments, changes in credit utilization, or new accounts appearing on your report. Also keep in mind that different models exist. Vantage Score 3.0 may differ from a FICO score you see elsewhere, so compare with when you're tracking progress. That's all there is to it. Log into your American Express account, open My Credit Guide from the dashboard, view your TransUnion Vantage Score 3.0, and check back periodically to monitor your credit health. Confident that looking at your score here won't hurt it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel more in control of your credit journey.